Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and this is my 6th ICP for the Python and Deep Learning class. In this ICP we have 4 tasks. The first task is to add one more hidden layer to the autoencoder. The second question is to do the prediction on the testing data and then visualize one of the constructed version of the test data. Also visualize the same test data before construction using the matplotlib. Repeat the question 2 on the denoising autoencoder and plot the loss and accuracy using the history object. And this one is visualize the compressed version of the input data in the middle layer. This is my code for the autoencoder. Here I added one more layer. Since the part of the encoding part and decoding part are like mirror to the hidden layer, so if we add one layer to the encoder, we have to add one layer to the decoder. So here I added this layer to the decoder too, and it has as input the added layer, and the last decoded sigmoid has as input the decoded layer. And here this is my encoder. Also I use these variables to because I need them to calculate my predictions. So here the encoder will have as input the input image and the encoded layer, and the decoder will have this encoded input. So because the decoder has to decode the encoded input, and this is the decoder layer. Here I fitted my autoencoder model with the X-train data, and this is my validation data X-test and X-test, and here my prediction. So the prediction pred variable equal to the autoencoder that predict on the testing data, and this is my encoder that predict, decoder that predict. This is the variable I create here, encoder and decoder, and here this is the encoder on the testing data, and this is the decoder that the predictional decoder with the encoded image as input. And here I visualized my my testing data. So here this is my my visualization on the testing data, original data, and this is my visualization on the reconstructed data, pred, and this is my visualization on the compressed, on the hidden layer. This is my hidden layer visualization, or compressed layer also. Here, compressed image. And this is, I used here the encoded image with this reshaping. I used the first image. For this I put this 0 because here, as you see, encode image which is the decoder. The encode image is the encoder that prediction on the using the encoder. And here this is my original image. This one is the visualization on the reconstruction, and here this is my compressed image in the hidden layer. That's what we have on the hidden layer. And here I plotted my history, my accuracy and loss. This one is for the accuracy, which is the accuracy model. This is the number of epochs and accuracy. same thing for the denoising. Here I used 10 images. Here I did the same thing as the first one, just here my extrain noisy and X-test noisy. I used extrain noisy and X-test noisy to fit my encoder model. I put the result on the history because I will need this history to display the loss and the accuracies history. And this is my prediction. This is the autoencoder that prediction on the noisy test data, and this is my encoder that the prediction on the encoder, and this is my prediction on the decoder. Here for the encoder I used this X-test noisy, and for the decoder I used my encoded image. And here it's almost the same as the first one, just here I used the 10 images, so just here this is my original, to display my original data, X-test Y. This one is to display my noisy image, and here this is the reconstruction. For this I use decoded image, so the image after decoding, and with the decoding. And here for the bonus question, this is the compressed image, the image in the hidden layer, this one. For this I used the prediction encoded image here. And also this is my accuracy and loss history. This is my accuracy model and this is the loss model. It's the same as the first question for the autoencoder.